Morning, YouTubers. Thank you for joining me back again on BrainBang TV. And as usual, we're going to try and review Cable for the 28th AM session. I know a couple hours is into the UK session trade today, but not a lot has gone on so much so far. I mean, you could have probably caught a potential scalp short opportunity on here if it meets your requirement, but didn't quite meet my requirement, and I'm kind of looking for something bigger, so I didn't quite take that trade. But I'm just going to run through what's gone on so far since yesterday, since we didn't have a PM session close. Um, but we had a couple days ago, so on Monday, 26, which was on Tuesday, sorry. So on Tuesday we had this red, green engulfing candle. To retrace off of this retracement we had, and then we had this red candle with the retest of that wick. So to me, kind of indicating some kind of continuation pattern here potentially, but we have to still look at the bigger picture of this still being a strong downtrend at the moment. So we shall see how that plays out in the long run. Looks like a retracement and then a potential move up into these areas here, but I was looking for a 618 retracement yesterday, so I thought this move here was going to happen on this wick, sorry, on the 618 retracement to then confirm a 2618 of this double top here. We didn't quite get that, so we started retracing off of the 50% mark, which didn't really provide me with enough uh, confluence to then jump into that trade. So I didn't take the short on that because of the lack of confluence. Now moving on from the daily, we go on to the 4 hour here, and I managed to get a new channel laid off here. So this is what's played out since we had that retracement onto that channel bottom here. So we've then created this new channel off of putting this new high and this new low. So we've now created a new channel. And you can see that the latest retracements and pullbacks did respect that channel support and resistance line on here. So we can see that's still in play. Now, like I said, what I am looking for at the moment, this, if I show you on the hourly, and I need to just scrap this, to be honest. I need to scrap this because this is not in play anymore, and we've kind of used that. Now, we had this little miniature channel here that we broke out of and then continued on our journey. Now we're here, and we've now put in a double top on the hourly, kind of indicating some change in momentum. But at the moment, what I was waiting for again is a potential 2618 trade on the hourly off of this double top here. So I was waiting for a retracement, and again, we've only got the 50% retracement here. Not quite convincing. We don't have any confluence of overbought or oversold conditions. In fact, not a lot of confluence going for this just yet. So to me, not quite primed for that yet. So what we might get is a potential retracement into these lows here, and then we might get a push away from it, depending, because this channel is still intact, as you can see here on the 4 hour. So we could get a push back into this lows here, and then we can see a takeoff, at least to touch the 618 retracement, or maybe even to retest these highs here before we see what's next for cable really. But yeah, apart from the hourly chart, I actually don't have no other trades setting up here on the 15. It's been pretty silent, nothing going on really. So no advanced patterns, nothing like that for me to kind of dig into at the moment. So I'm just kind of leaving that as it is, and then we will revisit this as soon as more price action plays out, and we have an idea of where we stand really. But this is the double top we're talking about, and this is the retracement currently at 50% right now. So we can either get a move down here to get some liquidity for the bids, or we could move up to get some liquidity for the sells. So we're gonna have to wait to see how that plays out in the near future. But at the moment, as you can see, it it would work out if we got the 618 retracement into this pocket of supply demand zone here that you can see, right? This little pocket there. That would be ideal. But if we don't get that, then we could be looking for a potential buy off of the retracement into this little pocket here. Off of the 4 hour. So what we want to do is sort of buy on the channel line to see if it doesn't hold or not. But yeah, we'll take it as it goes, and I will review on the PM videos to describe the sort of trades I've taken and how they've kind of panned out. But so far, not a great week. I've only taken two or three trades, all losers, sorry, not potential, all double position losers as well. So I've kind of taken a kind of huge hit today, this week, sorry. But in any case, we can only move ahead and forward with that, and try and see if we can replicate or get our analysis better and take better positions, really. So yeah, we'll review this over again in the PM video and take it from there, guys. Thank you for joining me and have a good day.